Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another happy mail to share with you all, and I believe these are all entries for my birthday challenge that they told me they were sending, and they knew that it wasn't going to get here in time, so they still wanted to send it to me, which oh my gosh, so honored. But here it is. This happy mail is coming from Michelle Bastian, and there is a little ladybug. Oh my gosh, you guys! I'm trying to share with you a bit. Okay, let's open this up. See what Michelle sent. Sounds like a little more than a really good start. Oh, I love you guys. Just know that I love you. Oh my goodness, this is cool. Okay, let's see what she did for us today. I don't want anything to fall out that might not, want to be seen. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, OMG, look at these gorgeous bows. These are from the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. Oh, this is so pretty. That is so pretty. Is there something in here? Hope it's just, okay, yeah, it's just the, yeah, thank you. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, look at that, so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. Oh, she used the cardboard to make sure it stayed safe. And oh, look at what she shared. Little desk pad. It's 8.5 by 7.5. Make it happen. But first coffee, of course. With this pretty little girl right here. Oh my gosh, so that's from Hobby Lobby. That's so pretty. Oh, I think I know what that is. So let's put that to the side. What? Michelle? Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh my gosh. She made itty bitty purple flowers for me with some teeny tiny gold centers. Oh my goodness. So tiny. Oh, it's just full of beautiful purple flowers. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay. And on top of this, it's a little embellishment box, and she put a shaker. Oh my god, this thing is shaking like crazy. She's got some purple butterflies. Look at, I love when, we put the wings up. So cute. She's got some fabric flowers on here. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. The butterflies also have some stickles on there. She's got some gold thread right here and on the side. And then down on the bottom. And it says, thankful, kindness, and friendship. Oh, this is so pretty. So underneath the shaker, she also she put some tissue paper, and she glued that down, Mod Podged it to the box, and then put the shaker bits, and then she has tulle on top of that. Inside her shaker, look at her bits, and then she's got some of the Dollar Tree tube confetti, and she's got some of those sequins from, that looks like Cartwright sequins, but I'm not sure. It's just a gorgeous shaker bits. Oh my gosh, girl. What did you do in here? Let's see together what she did. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at this tissue on the inside. It has writing on the back side. There's that tissue that's on the bottom. I love that effect. Oh my gosh. Girly, you put more bows in here? Oh my gosh. These are the like faux leather. Did you make these? Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. I don't even think the camera is gonna do it justice because there's texture on these bows on some of them. So that one is like, oh, so pretty. Yeah, you can see that right there. And then this one has an extra pattern on there. And then the purple one has these striations going across the bow. And then this one looks like a zebra imprint. Just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Michelle, girl, how did you even fit it in here? I don't want to ruin it. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, she had it bent somehow. But the good thing about it is it's fabric, so it'll flatten out again. And she shared some beautiful paper flowers. They're like iridescent. Oh wow, look at that. There's a shimmer to it, and I'm not yeah, there you go. You can see the shimmer on there. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, thank you. And there's more paper flowers here, you guys. Oh my gosh, are these Prima flowers? Oh my gosh, or did you hand make these? That's the difficulty here. I don't know if you made, which ones you made and which ones. But they're all beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the bling on that guy right there. It's a chunker. And the purples and the mauves. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love. Ooh, look at that one. You see the pearl on that one? There you go. So pretty. Michelle, thank you so much. And I'm so sorry it didn't make it on time, but oh my goodness, girly. Oh my goodness. Is this from Happy Little Corner? The Happy Little Corner? Oh my gosh, love, love, love this trim. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then she put flares in here. Girl. You guys, this is like maybe the third set of flares. Oh my gosh. Look at those. These are Maggie Holmes, I think. These are the Bloom. The Bloom or the Carousel, one of the two. But there's so many. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. All I have to do is stick it on a project now. That's it. And then she gave me a bunch of these flat back gems. There's the pinks and the purples. Love it. Beautiful. And she got some white here. Oh my gosh. Girl, this is a treasure trove. Oh my goodness. Look at these golden bows. I think these are metal. Are they metal? No, they're plastic. And then, oh my gosh. Look at these bows. These are acrylic. So pretty. And then she did some wired beads for me. Oh yes, girly. I think the only bead on here that I do not have are these dark purple ones. I do not have any of that in my stash, so thank you so much. This is so adorable. And the final ones, did you make these flowers or did you buy these flowers? These are gorgeous. Look at those. So very pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Michelle. Oh my goodness, my birthday. I think I want to put these into the box so I don't lose them. So I'm going to add little flowers right in there with the bows. Bobos. But oh my gosh, thank you so much. So many. And then this is her Memorydex card, guys. Oh my goodness. And she added more flowers in here too. Wow. Definitely keeping these flowers. Perfect use for these flowers, guys. Throw them in the packages because they are so fun. Oh my god. Michelle. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this card. Oh, she's got all the, look, this is second butterfly Memorydex card. Oh my goodness. And she used the flowers on the back here. And she used acetate for the butterflies. And the butterflies can fly away. Look at that. This is beautiful. Oh my god. And then she has layered flower here, the purple with the Dollar Tree centers. But look at how many layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers. 8 layers of flowers on this. Oh my god. And then the butterflies have dimension on here. You see their wings, a little puffy puffs. You just puff them up. She's got them curled slightly. Oh my goodness, Michelle, so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Whoops. Oh, I love it. And the little antenna, which I almost pulled out completely. And it says natural beauty. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Look at this card. I mean, look at the butterflies even. I don't know if you guys even can see the detail on these butterflies. And I love how she used the acetate to make it look like they're flying away. So pretty. Look at the dimension on there. See that? She's got the glitter on here. Oh my god. This is just gorgeous. Okay, so her info is on the back. Here's the back with all her beautiful punched flowers. There's one in here that's a little tucked under, but there you go. And then she's got her info right here. Oh, I like how she did that. She put the flowers on the card. It says Michelle Bastian. Her YouTube is Ladybug Michelle B. Her Instagram is ShellyB2579. And then her birthday is May 15th. Her favorites are Nuvo Drops, bright colors, sparkles, butterflies, ladybugs, and florals. And her style is, she's not sure. Oh my gosh, Michelle, thank you so much for sharing with me this beautiful creation. Oh my gosh. I am loving this card. Wow. You guys, look at all of the dimension. Just beautiful. And before we take a picture, I want to grab these beautiful flowers because I don't want to lose them. They all have Nuvo Drop centers, guys. The flowers, the little centers are Nuvo Drops. I think they're glitter, the glitter Nuvo Drops. But let me move the paper. Oops, there goes one. And that's okay because it's in the box. So we can grab that, put it right there. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. Michelle, thank you so much, love. This is so gorgeous. Look at all of this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't say thank you enough, guys. So I'll leave her links down below in the description box. And guys, make sure you go and check her out. Show her some crafty love, please, please, please. And I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you, Michelle. Bye, guys.